first bank Vijay Hazare Trophy for the season 2025-26 got Bengal taking on Chandigarh here at the Niranjan Shah Stadium at Rajkot. So Bengal there winning the toss and as expected choosing to bowl. And really the two teams, Bengal team, some really Anustup Mazumdar has been amongst the runs, Abhishek Poral, and look at that bowling and attack, almost an India attack, Akashdeep, Mohammad Shami, and all in all a good side. So Chandigarh hasn't had the best of the start as far as the Vijay Hazare Trophy is concerned. They would like to do better here.
32 वर्षीय एक्सपीरियंस खिलाड़ी 2600 से ऊपर रन है इनके नाम। वो अर्जुन आजाद दूसरी तरफ युवा खिलाड़ी हैं 150 इनके नाम।
Look at that, Mohammad Shami. Look at that list taker here, 271 wickets, 145 games, and what an average. First ball coming up. Middle and leg stump, and Manan Vora off the mark with a boundary. Oh, slight twist there, and that's cracked away for another boundary. Second boundary of the over. That's fine, beautifully. Threading the needle there, 4 runs. Oh, look at that. That's innovation at its very best. Taking on Mohammad Shami. The youngster Azad getting a boundary.
ये बेहतर शॉट भी है यहाँ पे। ये क्लास अर्जुन आजाद के द्वारा।
Oh, played up pitchly but safely.
इस बार छोटा गेंद था और केला के ऊपर से।
One of the slips has been removed and this is what? Good comeback by Mohammad Shami. First wicket down for Chandigarh.
और क्लास इज परमानेंट। अर्जुन आजाद ने बनाए हैं 31, 47 पर 1 चंडीगढ़। आर्सलन खान 26 वर्षीय ये खिलाड़ी।
In the air, in the gap, that'll be a 4.
And what a shot that is. Oh, but not the distance, and he's out caught in the deep. Really trying to take the spinner on. Arslan Khan losing patience and paying the prize.
Another promising innings by a Chandigarh batter comes to an end. He walks back for 26, and Chandigarh are 99 for 2.
Tushar Joshi has the wicket-keeper bat. He's come out. Oh, this is good. Very well timed. Beautifully timed. 4 runs.
तनुई
इस बार देखिए ये बात करते हैं हम कि सेट बल्लेबाज का रहना बड़ा जरूरी है। कमाल की टाइमिंग है। एक बार फिर मनन वोरा के बल्ले से
उल्लासल देखिए
Very intelligent cricket, following up the boundary with a single. 50 for Manan Vora. What a magnificent innings from the captain.
ये खिलाड़ी एक्सपीरियंस है चंडीगढ़ के लिए। काफी समय इन्होंने पंजाब के लिए खेला है। आज ये पारी आई है सही समय पे। इस बार थोड़ा छोटा गेंद था। तुषार जोशी ने एक और बाउंड्री प्राप्त की है वहां पे। यहाँ छोटा गेंद था, यही मैं बात कर रहा था आपसे। इस बार बड़ा छोटा है। मनन वोरा के बल्ले से छक्का जड़ दिया है अपनी इनिंग का। यहाँ एक मौका था और मौके को बुनाया यहाँ मुकेश ने, जिसके लिए उनको लाया गया था एक विकेट। तुषार इनिंग का यहाँ एक मौका था और मौके को बुनाया यहाँ मुकेश ने, जिसके लिए उनको लाया गया था एक विकेट। तुषार जोशी एक बार फिर सफल नहीं हुए। वो स्टार्ट मिला था पर चलता कर दिया या तीसरा झटका चंडीगढ़ को।
रोलिंग आज আমি বানাবো চকচক চিকেন চট করে কাটো পট করে মেশাও।
अब ऑनलाइन ही सब कुछ है पर क्या
And belief and willpower all put together.
वो स्टार्ट मिला था पर चलता कर दिया या तीसरा झटका चंडीगढ़ को।
Sanyam Saini, 26-year-old, and belief and willpower all put together. And at the moment, the willpower of the batter is showing as well. Lovely hit, beautifully struck.
And Manan Vora reaches that magic mark. What an innings this has been, Mikhail, from him. Measured at the start and then really getting a move on now. Staying in this time in the slot. And Saini has taken him on. And that's a maximum.
Oh, he's picked that up. And he's picked the bones out of this one as well. He's got a lot of height on this one. Cries of catch it. Fielder paddling backwards, and what a catch. Not an easy one to take. Brilliantly pouched by the end of it. And that's Sudeep Kumar Gorami there with that catch.
And that's the end of the skipper Manan Vora for a superb knock. 122. He goes scored by Garami of Shahbaz. Chandigarh 235 for 4. Taranpreet Singh joins Saini.
इस बार बैट के बीचों बीच आया बड़ा शॉट.
This time following it up with a fine boundary. Gone for a few this time. Hitting him back behind for more.
ईस्ट बंगाल इसी के चलते सामने खेला इस बार.
Once again, he's really targeting that V over there. Akashdeep and Saini continues to entertain here. Oh, beyond the fielder there, yet another maximum. So this is carnage happening here at the Niranjan Shah Stadium, and that's his 50 as well for Sanyam Saini. What a superb knock this has been from Sanyam Saini.
इस बार कुछ अलग खेलने की कोशिश और कामयाब भी हुए हैं सनीम सैनी.
Oh, look at that once again, inside out.
इस बार बैट के बीचों बीच फिल्टर है. मौका है आपके पास और वो काम कर दिया जो काम करते रहे हैं भारत के लिए, मोहम्मद शामी और बंगाल के लिए. एक बार फिर वापसी कराते हुए अपनी टीम की.
Taranpreet gone for 15, Chandigarh 293 for 5. Nikhil Thakur comes out.
ये कट शॉट खेला है और इस बार अच्छी फील्डिंग वहां पे, पर वहां पे जब थ्रो कर रहे थे मुकेश ने गेंद उनके हाथ से छटक कर बाउंड्री की तरफ गया. इस बार शॉट खेला है बड़ा, पर फील्डर नीचे हैं और एक आसान सा मौका था आकाशदीप के लिए और मुकेश को ये सफलता, दूसरी सफलता इनके नाम. और अच्छा विकेट सनीम सैनी का, जिस तरह की वो पारी खेल रहे थे. छठा विकेट गिरा है चंडीगढ़ का.
Chandigarh lose their 6th wicket for 305. Jagjit Singh with the best of 47 will be eager to add some melody to the runs over here with his bat.
पर यहाँ पे इन्होंने शुरुआत कर दी है.
Yeah, just tried to go with that big heave, bring across the line, and yeah, there it just crashed into the stumps. Lovely delivery by Mukesh. Nikhil departs for 8. Nishank Birla comes out to bat.
पर यहाँ पे मुकेश कुमार के पास वो मौका था, वो एग्जीक्यूट करने का, वो यॉर्कर करने का, और उसको वो सफलता एक और उनके नाम.
Jagjit Singh departs for 4.
LIC brings its Navjeevan Shri for young professionals. Pay regular premiums. Enjoy life insurance. Earn guaranteed additions as a percentage of premium. Create a guaranteed corpus at maturity for your dream.
Ah, cheeky. And that's been edged, and a 5-4 as well for Mukesh.
पर इन्होंने खास बनाया इस पिच को आज. यहाँ पे 300 के ऊपर रन है, वहां आपने 5 विकेट लिए, एक ही ओवर में 3 विकेट. 319 पर 9 चंडीगढ़ 48 ओवर के बाद.
Hartejaswi Kapoor.
लगातार जगह छोड़ रहे हैं बल्लेबाजों विकेट से गिरते हुए, और यहाँ पे ऑल आउट कर दिया है 50 ओवर से पहले, और टीम को 10 गेंदें पहले ऑल आउट किया.
And Chandigarh, after a superb start and a strong middle order performance, have just caved in this innings of theirs. And all of a sudden, from 305 for 6 to 319 all out, 3 batters got into double figures in the top 4. Then Sanyam Saini came out and played an absolute blitzkrieg of an innings. And after that, it's been a bit of a slide over here as the rest of the batters just walked in and walked out in no time as they were bowled out for 319.
Abhishek Porel, the left-hander, and this is the man we are talking about, Abhimanyu Iswaran, and up against them, Jagjit Singh.
Slashes hard in the gap. He's off the mark with a flashy 4. Wow. Look. And that's gone the distance, I reckon. This man's in some mode and some mood at the moment. And should I say he's in smash mode. Nice hit in the gap, correct beautifully. Wonderful timing on that. He's looking good. That's again beautifully driven through the offside region.
Oh, lovely. Lovely. That would do a top order batter proud. Oh, this is the gift. Down the leg side, helped along. Oh, this is very deliberately played actually.
पर यहाँ पे एक और चौका.
Once again, look at that. Look at the way he found the gap there. Threading the needle. 4 runs.
एक बार फिर प्रयास था वहां पे, पर चौका यहाँ पे भी मिलेगा. इस बार अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन के बल्ले से. और यहाँ पे ये शॉट देखिए, इस चौके के साथ अपने 50 रन पूरे किए हैं अभिषेक पोरल ने. और कमाल की इनिंग आई है ये रन चेस में.
It's been a magnificent knock by Abhishek Poral.
उस बार भी कमाल का चौका. इस बार जगह थी और कमाल की टाइमिंग.
Oh, yes. That's a soft dismissal. The skipper departs quite against the run of play. And the first ball of spin fetches a wicket here, Rahul.
25 बनाए हैं ईश्वर ने, 88 पर 1 बंगाल.
Sudeep Garami walks in.
पर यहाँ पे पोरल ने ये चौका ले लिया है यहाँ पे.
And there again, just stamping authority with a lovely pull.
इस बार स्वीप खेला है और कमाल की टाइमिंग.
Straight to the fielder at mid-wicket. Against the run of play, Jagjit Singh's delighted. And Garami was looking so good and setting himself for a big score. Ends up dismissing, rather departing, after finding the fielder at short mid-wicket.
Garami gone for 17. Bengal at 127 for 2.
Anustub Majumdar.
Oh, that's a 4 there.
Cries of catch it, fielder circling around it, puts the dive, but that'll race away for a 4.
And look at this. Launching into Birla.
Dive, but that'll race away for a 4.
And look at this. Launching into Birla. Oh, but this time he gets to that figure of 100. Playing very intelligent cricket. What a knock it has been from Abhishek Poral. The opener getting to a well-deserved century of 73 balls. What a knock, Rahul, this has been.
और लाजवाब पारी आई है. कुछ लेकर आए हैं जरूर लिखकर कि आज कुछ अलग करेंगे. टाइमिंग देखिए इस बार अनुस्तुप की. इस बार भी कमाल की टाइमिंग हुई है. इस बार भी किसी के पास कोई मौका नहीं है. यहाँ पे शॉट खेला है. यही गलती कर सकते थे. फिल्टर है नीचे और कमाल का कैच वहां पे. अरसलन खान थे और कोई मौका नहीं यहाँ पोरल के पास. ये विकेट चाहिए थी चंडीगढ़ को वापसी के लिए और तरुणप्रीत ने वो कमा करके दिखाया है.
Abhishek Poral gone for 106. Bengal are 186 for 3.
शहबाज अहमद ने बल्लेबाज 31 वर्षीय.
Oh, this is not very good bowling. This is runs being gifted away.
Cut away in the gap. What a way to begin over number 32. This has been hit with some authority, some force, some power. What a way to get to a half century. Just uses the pace. Well, he's been special this evening once again. Brings up his 14th list day 50. And he does it in a steep chase. The experience of Anustub Majumdar coming to the fore. Oh, he's just picked that up. And I reckon he's got the distance as well. And in the process, he'll also reach a half century. And he does it in some style. Shahbaz Ahmed came in at a precarious time. And he's just shown what he can do with the bat as well. Wow. His height on this one. And that sails into the grassy banks and almost into the stands as well.
Oh, once again taking the aerial road. Will he hold out? Yes, he does. So that's the end of Anustup. Vishu Kashyap, who took the catch there. And Bengal are 278 for 4. Sumanta Gupta.
एक और छोटा गेंद, एक और चौका.
Look at this. Yet another short ball. Oh, that's gone. That's gone for 4.
एक और छोटा गेंद आसानी के साथ पॉइंट के ऊपर से बैक टू बैक बाउंड्री आई है. 3 चौके लगातार.
Oh, look at that. Another boundary. Oh, trying to go for a slower one. This has been a full toss. That's put away. 4 more runs. That innovative shot. I think that should seal it. No. The comeback for the second. So, the scores are tied at the moment.
There it is. Bengal register another win in the IDFC First Bank Vijay Hazare Trophy 25-26. Their second win in 3 matches, and they win this contest by 6 wickets. It's been a very strong all-round performance, a complete effort, and it's been a comprehensive one, and more importantly, a cohesive effort as well from the boys.
This is standout. Chandigarh put into bat 309.